Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a fidget spinner go faster. Well, spin longer, because that's all mine does. And yeah, let's get into the video. So first, you take out the caps, so it looks like that. I don't know if you can see that, but I got a rubber band in there. Okay. Yeah, I got a hard rubber band, and on the other side I don't. So that you know that the big piece goes on the side without the rubber band. So make sure you always put the big one, the big cap on that side. So if you cannot get out that piece, it's fine. You could just keep it in there, which I'm gonna try to get this out. Which of course I can't get mine out. So the very first step for this is to wash it out, which there's plenty of more steps to that than just washing it out. You wash out that piece, and that piece, because I can hear it's all dirty, and so you wash that out. Light water though. So whenever you get all that finished, you can spin it a couple of times, make sure it's even, and you just blow it out. And next you just get a hair dryer and you do that. You do that all. So whenever you got that, you just dry it out, and that's all. And make sure it's on the highest level, which this is going to be really loud because we have all the way up to low, medium, and high. So I'm gonna pause the video real quick. So whenever you get that finished, you might need to blow it out an extra time if it's not that dry. Mine is that dry, but I'm gonna still blow it out. It's still kind of wet, but you still need to blow it out if it's like a little wet. So and that's how you make your fidget spinner spin longer. So make sure the biggest part of your cap goes where the rubber band is. You always have to make that sure. So that's one way to also make it go faster, but not spin longer, but go faster. Let me get my cap in the right place. Yes, I'm sorry, I have a crappy fidget spinner, but my mom's ordered me one off of Red Apple. Y'all should go and check that out. It's a website where you can get all this really cool stuff. Also fidget spinners, really good fidget spinners. And, they're better than this. I just made a dent in that. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just that little dark spot. Well, I'm gonna see if this actually works, because I just looked it up, but this is my first time doing this. So if it doesn't work, just try it again. And if it doesn't work for me, I'm definitely trying it again. Okay, guys, that definitely works for me. If it didn't work for you, just try it again, restart the video, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. And I'm gonna bounce on my pinky finger if you want to see that. If you don't want to, just skip it. But that's my pinky. Not that good at it, but I'm gonna be practicing a lot. And just let me know in the comments if it worked for you or not, and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Links in the description. And I'm gonna buy 15 fidget spinners and I'm gonna give them away. Alright, subscribe to my channel.